What's up, bread gang? I ask, I receive, however you want to say it. I posted on Instagram, if the video of the truck meet gets 1,000 views in 24 hours, I will post Ryan's cinematic video that he did. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. Thank you so much, Ryan, at Ryan Rossy, hit him up. I'm gonna start it off. Shit. I had to stop right there. I completely lost my train of thought, but without further ado, I'm gonna not talk for 5 minutes like Brian didn't want me to this time. Here is the video of the truck meet. I don't really know how to introduce it, so here we go, enjoy.